Both in terms of design and implementation, vehicle motion cues has managed to live up to the mark. When activated, it shows the dots around the edges of your iPhone, which plays a vital role in helping you prevent motion sickness. If you're fond of this all-new feature, chances are you'd be super glad to know that there is a neat way to activate the vehicle motion cue using the accessibility shortcut on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. So, if you want to unlock this handy feature, let me show you how it's done the right way. So to get us started, first up you have to open the Settings app on your iPhone, then select Accessibility. And then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose Accessibility Shortcut. And then you have to select Vehicle Motion Cues. With this handy shortcut now ready, you can quickly activate the vehicle motion cues by just triple clicking the side button aka the power button of your iPhone. Just like this, super handy, isn't it? It's worth pointing out that if you have selected more than one feature, triple clicking the side button will first bring up the accessibility shortcut menu. After that, you'll have to choose the vehicle motion cues for activation. So make sure to keep this important thing in your mind. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily activate vehicle motion cues using the accessibility shortcut on your iPhone, powered by iOS 18 or later. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and happy. Bye bye.